This is what happened when I first started doing the method that I'm about to show you. You can see on the screen right here, my very first attempt at this, at making money, was in October of 2022. And if we head over to here, that very first month, I made $92. The next month, $598.71. The next month, $2,700, then $12,000, and then you can see kind of peaked and climaxed right here at $19,000, and then continued to make money onward from then on out. Now, if there's one thing that I'm not, it's a hype man, and so I'll be the first to tell you that what I'm going to show you was a little bit easier back then. But even now, if you are looking for the easiest way to make somewhere between $1,000 and $5,000 a month with affiliate marketing using something as simple as just a phone, you've just found it. And that is the number one reason that I love what I'm about to show you. You do not need an audience. You do not need a big email list. You don't need to have a big following on YouTube or be an Instagrammer or a ticket talker, a tickety talker. You need to be a person that has one of these. Now to start, let's backtrack a little bit and talk a little bit about what affiliate marketing is, because this is kind of a play on affiliate marketing. It's a slight twist on the typical way that you've probably heard about affiliate marketing. Now, I don't think that really matters to you, since you're probably watching this to make money and you don't care if that's using a slight twist or not.
You're right. You're absolutely right.
So what is affiliate marketing? You send referrals or people or customers to a company. Those customers purchase something from that company, and then you get paid. By the way, I should add that companies absolutely love this method because they can't lose money. It's a win-win for them. They only pay you if you send them a customer that makes them money. Now, affiliate marketing has been around forever, but in 2018, Amazon, who kind of invented affiliate marketing as well, made a slight twist on this. They started to pay people for helping convert their customers, not just send them new customers. Now, this makes perfect sense if you look at how a business operates. A business has a marketing department. That's the people that send leads. They get new customers to come in and find out about them, right? And then they have a sales department, and usually the sales department takes all those new leads coming in and they turn them into customers, these people that are interested, and they actually get them to buy the product. Now, in the past, affiliates would just get paid for being marketers. They would send referrals or leads to the business and let the business take care of it. And Amazon changed that in 2018 and said, we'll pay you to be part of the sales team too. We'll pay you to actually help us in our conversion process. Now, you're probably saying, why would Amazon do this? Does Amazon hate money and they like to give away money? And the answer to that is obviously no. What Amazon did is they discovered that videos made by normal, everyday people and product users actually sold significantly better than marketing videos, these high quality, well done videos being produced by the company that was selling the product. So to give you an example, I head over here to this awesome mattress that we just bought. Pretty cheap mattress, actually. You can see here, it's got the pictures and then it's got a video. When I click play right here, that's a well done video. We know that some normal person's not making this. The company is clearly doing this. We probably also know the company's fluffing up the mattress a little bit, removing all the wrinkles, making it look significantly better than it will probably look when it actually lands on your doorstep in a tight box. But let's move over to the right here, and we can see there's customer review videos, and you can see much more authentic. Not very long. I'm gonna click here. This guy pulled out his iPhone. It's even vertical, and he's just kind of walking through, pulling the mattress a little bit. You can't hear the audio, but he's just talking through it, talking through his experience with it. Hey, it came in a box. I unveiled it. You can see it's still got some wrinkles. I'm gonna squish on it so you can see how squishy it really is, the real product that you'll actually get from the people selling this. Now, you might say, why in the world would that video sell better than that well-made, tens of thousands of dollars went into it marketing video? And the answer is authenticity. That video feels like your friend just sent you a text with your iPhone. Hey, check out my new mattress. This thing is incredible. I love it. You should buy this, right? And you just took a quick video and sent it. It's authentic. It just feels like someone you know telling you about something that they're actually using, and you're much more likely to buy because you don't feel like you're getting sold to. Now, Amazon has one big problem here. Amazon sells 600 million different products on their website. Now, that's way more videos than they can pump out, especially because they have to be normal everyday videos and can't be done by professional video teams. So what Amazon did is they created what's called the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, the way they labeled that with the word influencer scares a lot of people away because they think they have to be an influencer, but that's not actually what it is. You do not have to be an influencer to participate in this program. Instead, when we head back to the screen here, these videos that I showed you, you actually get paid to put those little videos, like that simple mattress one I just showed you, on Amazon. So the way it works is you make a video with your phone about some product that sells on Amazon. You upload it to Amazon. Amazon puts that video on the product page like we just saw. Someone watches that video and decides to buy the product, and you get paid. Now, the reason this is such a fun, exciting twist on regular affiliate marketing is regular affiliate marketing requires you to send customers. You need to send hundreds or thousands of people typically to a company before you're going to actually make any money off affiliate marketing. Now, that's hard for a lot of people because we don't come in with an audience. We don't come in with a big email list or a large number of people that listen to us. And so it's hard to send thousands of people to a company. And a lot of beginners fizzle when they start with affiliate marketing. Perhaps you're in that same boat because it's really, really hard to build up and get big enough to do that. Now, this program eliminates that hardest part of traditional affiliate marketing, which is building up that big audience to get sent there. Amazon sends the audience. Amazon sends all the leads. Your job's just to convert them. And better yet, a lot of times some of the worst videos have the best conversions because of that word authenticity. And let's be honest, sometimes the word authentic is just a code word for not very good. But the really best part about this entire thing is that you are no longer going to be trading time for money. So instead of just paying you $1 per video or $5 per video, you're getting a portion of whatever sales that video drives. So imagine your video shows up on this mattress page with 162,000 reviews. That means this mattress has sold millions of times on Amazon. If you can get your video to show up for even a week, you are making multiple months worth of income in that single week. Or like some of those numbers showed earlier, imagine that your product manages to rank at the beginning of Christmas season for some of the hot Christmas sellers when people are buying hundreds of thousands of them for their kids. You may just see a day that looks like this or a month that looks like this. All right, hopefully you've seen the power of this program and how that slight twist can result in you doing much better in the very beginning with affiliate marketing. But let's talk a little bit about the logistics of how you would actually go about this. Now, number one is it is approval only. So you can't just sign up, throw out a video and see what happens. Amazon is slightly picky on what they're going to let people show up on their product pages. Now, to get approved, you do need to have some kind of a social account: Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. If I'm being full and honest, TikTok seems to be easier to get approved than any of the other ones. I'm still not positive why. But what they're looking for is not a quantity thing. They're looking for a quality thing. They're looking for someone that has posted consistently for at least a few weeks. They're looking for somebody that posts high quality content. They're looking for somebody that posts engaging content, meaning it gets likes, it gets some comments. It's not just this empty void getting posted out into the universe. Perhaps they're looking for somebody with a good profile picture, something that's not weird, creepy, pixelated, stuff like that. Now, if you already have that, you can be approved within a day. If you don't have that, you might need to take a week or two to get this all put together and get it going and get things moving. Now, once you've gone through the approval processes, now we will leave a video down below that you can click on and you can go through, and it actually goes much more into detail about how to get approved and what they're looking for and the process and things like that. Once you're approved, it's just a matter of getting access to products that are sold on Amazon. I don't know anyone that's never ordered on Amazon, so you can start there. You'll also find that a lot of stuff in your house that you may have bought at Walmart or Target or Costco also sell on Amazon. And the easiest way to do that is you pull open your phone, you click this scanner on Amazon, and you take a picture of whatever is around your house, and it will just look it up and it will find if that is for sale on Amazon. And I have found that a vast majority of the time, everything that I've purchased basically anywhere is also for sale on Amazon. Finally, you just take out your phone and you take a 40-second to 3-minute video that goes over your experience with the product. You can show yourself in it, which is how I prefer to go about it, or you could not show yourself and just have a first-person view on the camera. Both of them seem to do okay on Amazon. Now, for me, I like to put my phone on this stand and then stand in front of it with the product and kind of demo it and do things like that. You don't have to go about that. It takes me about 3 minutes to make a video and get it going and uploaded. Once you've uploaded, you'll see it uploads the video on the left. You'll need to tag your product right here. You'll add a title to tell you people what the video is about, and then you'll add a thumbnail. And for a thumbnail, all I'm doing is I'm using Canva to screenshot a portion of the video, and then I'm adding a red arrow pointing to the product. Now, unlike regular affiliate marketing, where you could go 6 months seeing $0 and spending quite a bit of money on softwares and things before you make a single penny, this is a slow and steady climb. You'll probably see some small amounts of money come in your first month, and then a little more your next month, and it'll build every single month as long as you keep doing it. And as you expand the strategy, put out more products, put out more videos, and become consistent and good at it, you'll see your income grow every single month. As I mentioned down below, there's a video with much more details, explanation, and instructions. What are you waiting for?